I'm making a video. I have hiccups again. Here we go again with the hiccups. We are drinking right now. We're drinking beer. And I haven't eaten nothing spicy today, so I don't know why I have the hiccups. Let's see if we can wash my stomach, I guess. I'll wash my throat. Somebody passed on the motorcycle was going by. Or you want to see my face? Oh my god, I have the hiccups very bad. Ew. Maybe you'll see it in my neck. I don't catch it. I do not catch it because it's like a little, so I don't feel it so much. I live in Georgia, so it's only like